Christopher Cornelius Culkin is an American stage actor and former manager. He is best known as the father of actors Macaulay Culkin, Rory Culkin and Kieran Culkin, and the brother of actress Bonnie Bedelia. Culkin was born in Manhattan, New York City, New York, the son of Philip Harley Culkin, who was in public relations, and Marian Ethel, a writer and editor. He and his sisters Candace and actress Bonnie were raised in New York City. For middle school, Kid attended the St. Thomas Choir School in Midtown Manhattan. He and his sister Bonnie took classes at School of American Ballet. Culkin's early career involved working on Broadway and theater productions with actors such as Richard Burton, John Gielgud, Laurence Olivier and Anthony Quinn. His brother Terry and sisters Bonnie and Candace also worked in theater and television. Culkin credits his mother, who was their manager, for these early successes. Three of his sons, Macaulay, Rory, and Kieran, are professional actors whose careers eclipsed their father's acting career but gained him prominence as their manager from the late 1980s to the mid-1990s. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.